Okay, today we are changing the engine air filter on a 2013 Toyota Camry. So with the engine off and cold, we'll go ahead and replace the filter. I believe I bought this filter on Amazon or eBay. They're readily available. When you're buying the filter, make sure it matches the make and model of your vehicle. There's a part number for this 2013 Toyota Camry. I'll show you what the new filter looks like. And these do only go in one way. Go ahead and unwrap it. So that pointy corner right here, that goes up towards the firewall, towards the driver's side. Start by undoing these two metal clips. Like so. And just carefully lift up on the filter box lid. Slide the black tabs out of these slots. Gently pull out the old filter. Again, that corner goes up that way. And I like to write the date on the new filter anytime I replace an air filter. I also write the date and mileage in the maintenance notes in the owner's manual. Then simply place it inside the filter box. And line up those black plastic tabs. They slide into those slots there on both sides. And then reattach those metal clips and you're good to go. Woo! And it should look like so. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.